Hi guys, welcome to the practical session. Today we'll learn about lead generation and as well as messages gaps. Okay. So first thing we'll create a lead generation ad. So you simply select on lead generation. Okay. And I'll give a name as this test lead generation. Okay. Now I'll give a budget of 100 rupees and I'll simply click on continue. Okay. So it is asking choose the page you want to promote. I'll leave this as it is. Find busy. Okay. And you can go to create audience and I want to target only Bangalore people. So now I'm advertising for my digital marketing clients. So when you are also learning digital marketing and if you want any digital marketing projects on a freelancing, so follow this video guys. It's very important. So where the location what you choose, you will get leads from that location only. So I have selected Bangalore and so my digital marketing age of clients would be like maybe around 25 so that they can start the business and mostly about 44. So I'll give it this. So I'll leave both men and women and I want to include here digital marketing. Okay. Now you go to suggestions. Facebook will give you the suggestions. So people who are interested in online advertising, marketing, social media marketing, online marketing, search engine optimization, so pay per click marketing, Google Analytics. So I've selected all these things. So now you can see my potential reach of people whom I'm targeting to. And if you want to add connection, you can add the connection like people you have used your app or exclude people who like your page. I'll go with this exclude people who like my page. I'll go to findbusy.com. Okay. And I'll leave this placements as it is. And now I'll click on continue. It's very easy process guys, anyone can place a Facebook ad. So but the trick is like how you place the ad and what you target and to whom you need to show your ad and how you optimize your Facebook campaigns. That is very important. Okay. And now I'll edit image. So I'll change image because this is all about digital marketing, right? So I'll go to stock images again. Stock images. I'll type digital marketing. Okay. Now I'll select this one, digital marketing. This is quite good actually. So I'll simply click on continue. So once I click on continue, so automatically it will be updated. Actually it is bit slow, that's why it is updating on late. So I'll give a primary text here. So are you looking for freelancing digital marketing product? Then you must sign up with us. So So freelancer, right? So you can simply select as sign up with me, and you can give the description as option if you want. You can simply give any description. Headline is very important, guys. Digital marketing services for free. Okay, I'll tell you why we are offering digital marketing services for free. Because as you are a fresher and you are a freelancer, so you might not get projects that you expect. So once you offer free services for the client for the first month, and you really impress with the project, and client will give you the payment on second month. So you can cover the first month payment in the second month. Okay, so that's why you can offer your first month digital marketing services as free. Now the main important point is call to action. You can select any button, so I'll simply leave it as sign up. Okay, and you have to create a new form. Remember, it is very important. You can simply select any of this: more volume or higher intent. More volume in the sense they need not to confirm the submission. In higher intent means they need to confirm the submission. Okay, so if you want more realistic leads, like real leads, not fake one, then you can go to this higher intent. You can edit this form, so I'll simply select it as test form. Okay, now intro is optional. If you want to give any intro, you can give it here. Like for example, you can give digital marketing services. Okay, you can give an intro here. If you want to add paragraph, you can add paragraph: SEO, SMO, SMM, SEM services. So you can add that one. If you want to add any questions for the customer, like email, full name, you can simply click on add. Okay, contact fields, you can add phone number here if you want to add phone number. And if you want to add any short answer like multiple choice, you can select multiple choice. Are you interested in freelancing the project? Give a question mark and type answers yes and click on enter. No. So you can see how this works. Fine. Are you interested in freelancing the project? Select yes or no. So client can select the questions and go to privacy policy and give a link here: www.findbusy.com. So link test. Your data is safe and secure. www.findbusy.com. Okay, and go to review screen. How your ad reviewed, and go to thank you screen and website link: www.findbusy.com. You can select a button type here: view website or call us, download, anything you can choose, and we click on save. If you have any others, it will show, and click on finish. So everything is green now. Okay, we also created the form. Okay, and I'll simply select confirm. See, it is showing the image is too small, please use a larger image. So fine, we'll go to that, edit image, change image. As of now, I'll keep this one, guys, or else I'll keep this one, because it is not accepting the image. So you can change the image according to your business. Okay, and I'll simply click on confirm. So once it's done, your ad will be placed. See, it will be under review. Once it got review, then your ad will perform on Facebook channels. Okay, so this is how you can create a Facebook lead generation ad. Now we'll go and we'll see how to create a messaging ad. Okay, messenger ad. So I'll simply duplicate this one. So no need of creation again from starting. You can duplicate this. So how many copies you want? If you want 2, 3, you can copy it. So I'll go with 1 now. Okay, and I'll change this name as messenger ad test ad. Okay, Now I'll select messages here. Instead of lead generation, I have selected messages here. So I'll leave 100 rupees as a daily budget only, and I'll go to this 25 to 44, and I'll simply leave it as same like what you have created. If you want to edit, you can edit all the details here once again for the another ad like a messenger ad. If you want to edit this thing, you can edit the targeting, you can edit the gender, age, locations, and all these things. And I'll stay with this automatic placements only, and optimization for delivery, replies. So it is recommending us to stay with replies, so we'll stay with replies and go to lead generation, the third tab. So three tabs you need to follow in the Facebook, it's very important. And see, this is my ad. Okay, so if you want, you can preview in messenger as well. So a message has been sent to your messaging platform like your Facebook page or Facebook whatever you're using. So you go to that, so your one notification link will be coming to your messaging platform, and you can test how it looks. Okay, and you can also send notification to Facebook. If you want, you can send notification from here, okay, to preview the ad, and the notification will come to your Facebook feed. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll simply click on call to action button, and I'll select send a message, because this is a messaging platform, right? So it will be a more convincing part if you kept like send message, so people will more likely to send message to you. And I'll click on publish. So done guys, so we have completed the part of creating a messaging ad as well. So this is how you can create a messenger ad, and this is how you can create a test or a lead generation ad. So I have created these two ads now. So I think hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you soon on my next video on creating other different ads in Facebook. Till then, have a good day. Thank you.